Hi, my name is Manasseh, and this is my submission for the TiDB Hackathon. So I built Heydesk, which is an agentic customer support and ticket management platform. So the support is so good, it makes you smile. So I'll just get right into the app. So first we have to sign up. So I'll just use my Google account here to create my account. And then once we sign up, we're prompted to create an organization. So for the purposes of this demo, I'll be using PZ, this SaaS company. It's an SEO AI visibility company. That's what I'll be using as a case study to showcase what Heydesk can do for this demo. So let me just enter the organization name and then the website. So we're just taking this website. So the website we pass in here will be used as the foundation for our knowledge base. It will be used as the foundation of our knowledge base. So you can see here that the URL is being scraped by one of our agents, which is going to scrape and go through the whole website via an XAI tool call to get all of the relevant content on that website, to extract the relevant information which is on the website, which can be used for customer support. And to make interacting with TiDB the vector capabilities, I had to build an SDK for .NET. So my language of choice is C#. So as I was going through the documentation, I noticed that there was no SDK for C#, and I had to do manual SQL queries to connect to TiDB if I wanted to use the vector store. So I had to improvise, and I managed to come up with an SDK which has a lot of features and tag filtering and all of that good stuff. So it helped me with the process, and it made the whole process much easier. So that's what I was using. So this app is also built on top of this SDK which I made. It's fully open source. It's on GitHub as well. So getting back to the app, we can see that our ingestion is complete, and we're able to also add files or even just raw text to our knowledge base. So by default, each organization has Maya as the default agent. And we also have the tickets tab. So far we have no tickets yet because no customer interaction has been done. So if we look right next to our logo, we have a copy button here. So this is the support link. It will copy the support link for our organization. So each organization has a unique support link where the customer can then log into the platform and start to interact with the agents which are available in that organization. So here I'll just use the same account, and it automatically picked up the organization which I was trying to sign into. So that's PZ. So now I can start interacting with the agent which is associated with this organization. So I can now ask it questions to say, hi, what is the pricing for PZ, and give me this info in a table. So I'm now passing a query to the agent and asking for the pricing in table format. So the agent has responded with the relevant information grounded from the knowledge. So I can ask a more complex query to say, what how do I integrate PZ into my Next.js website? Show me a code snippet. So now I'm asking it to do something a bit more complex. So I'm just asking it for a code snippet, and it's going to give me, you can see here, it gives me detailed instructions. So all of that here was on the website. So it was able to get that from the website, and it's pulling it from the vector store via the tool calls. And then finally, I can ask it to say, hi, I want more info on custom pricing. Can I please talk to a human agent? So now we're asking it to escalate the issue to a human agent. So the agent is also able to escalate the issue. It will create a ticket, and if we go back to our support portal, we'll find that now we have a ticket and it has been assigned to me. The agent has automatically assigned the ticket to me, and I can now address the issue to the customer. So here when I view the ticket, I'm able to see the interactions which the customer had with the agent. So we can see the chat history, and the agent also provided me context as the human agent to say the customer was interested in custom pricing options for PZ and would like to speak with the human agent. So it's now speaking. So I am the human agent who has been assigned this ticket, and the agent provided the context. So now I can just send a support email direct to the customer. So you can see the customer details are pre-populated, and we even have the subject as well. So you can just say, hey, your custom pricing is flexible. So this is the message I'm sending to the customer. Say, hey, custom pricing is flexible. When I send the email, when I do go to my inbox, because I used my account, I should see an email from PZ saying, hey, your customer pricing is flexible. So we can see that leveraging TiDB, our agent was able to go from a simple query to handling complex queries to even filing a ticket where it handed over the support to a human agent. And even now, I can then ask it to give me the status of my ticket. Hi, what is the status of my ticket? And the agent is also able to do processing and pull information dynamically from from the database. So the issue has been resolved and it gives you the data as well. So that is Heydesk powered by TiDB, leveraging the vector capabilities powered by the custom SDK, which I made as well. So I hope you found it interesting. Sorry, the video was a bit too long, but I hope you do manage to watch it all. Thank you.